To do this trend, open any editing application you have. I'm using CapCut. Now go to New Project and add your 7 photos. Now select Format 9:16 and adjust your all photos to full screen. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now select all photos to this time duration. Now add text. Write the first text and then apply the text layer till the end of first photo. Now write the second text and apply the text layer till the end of the video. Now check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.